Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Just want to tell everyone Happy New Year. I hope everyone enjoyed their winter break. Let's look at these deals. I've told you this before, you'll never know what you'll find on Run Deals. I love what they have for discounted jewelry right on their website. With that being said, check out this cool bracelet. We're gonna go inside, get a little bit deeper. You're gonna see the jewelry that Run Deals have to offer. All right, so one of the best deals that I've seen so far are the jewelry. The jewelry on here is so beautiful, rare looking. Take a look at this piece right here. As you can see, there's two dragons. They're angry. They're going at each other as a bangle. I love this. Love how it looks, how it's resting on my arm. Put it down sideways. It is the bee's knees. I also love that it comes with this little jewelry bag and it's there just in case you want to put it up so it can be nice and safe right in your jewelry box. Thank you all for stopping by. Remember, Run Deals have all the deals that you could imagine. With that being said, why wouldn't you do it?